Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's go to App Management, and right here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do here is to remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they are obviously occupying some memory and they could slow down your device. So this is one way of speeding your device up. So let's open the app, for example, the camera. After opening the app, let's go to storage usage, and here we've got the cache section. So just tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove it. And as I said, highly recommend to do it for all of those apps to release some memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.